Santana Park. Away they go. Fierce and fiery. EJ's Magic. Vivere. From the outside is Apu Bell. Joshua's Laughter down on the inside. 6th position belongs to The Rock. And Dim Masalang is the early trailer. EJ's Magic followed by Vivere. From the outside by The Rock, Fierce and Fiery. And watching him forward by about 2 lengths. Apu Bell. Joshua's Laughter. Another 2 lengths. Back in 5th. And rounding the far turn, EJ's Magic, Fierce and Fiery, Vivere. Getting closer is Apu Bell. And on the outside is The Rock, Joshua's Laughter. As they race the last 500, Apu Bell is now the leader. Followed by Fierce and Fiery, EJ's Magic. Then here comes Joshua's Laughter as they race the last 300. Apu Bell by a length and a half, followed by Fierce and Fiery. And on the outside, EJ's Magic, Joshua's Laughter. Under further outside is The Rock. And nearing the finish line, up about 4. And finally, the horse of Mr. Puts Puyat, Apu Bell. Second, The Rock, Joshua's Laughter, Fierce and Fiery, Dim Masalang, EJ's Magic, and 3A, Vivere comes last.
5-4-2.